Number 7, choose optimism. You have the power to choose your attitude. Choose to be upbeat, optimistic, and enthusiastic. Give people the benefit of the doubt. Your attitude is contagious. Find ways to lift others up. I like this one because you think about when you come to work every day, the first thing I always try to do is smile at people. If you smile at somebody, it really is contagious. We did a little thing a while back. When you answer the phone, put a smile on your face, and people hear that in your voice. And when they hear that in their voice, it changes the dynamic of everything. I really believe that. So as you come to work today, try to put a smile on. We all have a bad day every now and then, but you can choose your attitude. And if you choose the right attitude, it is contagious and people around you will feel it and they will be changed by it.
How do you remember to choose optimism, especially when problems out of your control arise?
Great question, Em. I would always try to take the high road. So even though things are bad around you, you can always choose the optimistic view. You can always choose to have the glass half full. Even though it doesn't feel like that at the time, you'll be amazed at how many things can actually change or turn around for the better. If you just take the time to go, you know what? I understand that that was not the best thing that could have happened to me, but it's still something that is not going to ruin my day. A little while back, we talked about the 5x5 rule, right? So if what happens to you in the next 5 seconds is not going to matter 5 years from now, don't let it affect your attitude. Take the high road, choose the optimistic route. I think you'll have a great day.